What's cracking, guys? Early start to the morning. Kind of, not really, just getting gas. I talked to my friend today. Apparently he's on his way, or will be soon. I don't know. He's gonna hit me up and be like, yo, I'm on my way. So this dude's gonna actually come and drop off my motor. So I'm super stoked because that means things can get started. You know, cleaning it up, just getting it ready and stuff like that. But it's been a long time coming, man. I miss my RSX and I want to get that going because my hatch is kind of, you know what I'm saying? So I need to get it better. But yeah, all right, let's get on the road. I gotta get to the shop because we still got work to do, guys. Yo, what's going on? Hopefully I'm gonna focus. All right, whatever. Anyway, so my friend came, dropped it off, and cool. So I could talk about what's going on. So I talked about what happened earlier. I was gonna take another motor, and then I got this deal, and my friend drove all the way up from SoCal, so it was like a 6-hour drive, and then he got here, and then kind of funny, I guess we had sort of like a miscommunication on what exactly he was bringing, but it's cool. It's cool. We kind of came to agreement that we're both kind of happy with, and in reality, I just don't care anymore because like I miss the RSX. I miss driving it. I miss just having a car that runs really well and just gets me there. So what I have here, bam, on a pallet. Well, we put it on a pallet, but it's basically a full swap out of an EP3SI. So technically it is a K20 A3, also RSX base motor. It is what I have in my RSX now. So I wanted to get like a Type S motor or Z3 or K24 A2 or something else to put in it because it is a Type S. Little context backstory for all the new people. I bought the RSX stupid cheap off this kid because he needed to get rid of it. I'm cool with him, and I'm like never really gonna sell the car. I was just gonna kind of return it to some sort of glory that he wanted to. So basically what happened is he threw a rod in his A2, and when that happened, he was in a money crunch, didn't know what to do, so he bought a base engine, threw it in there. So it still has a 6-speed, still has everything else. So I'm trying to fix everything, I'm basically trying to keep it running is basically all I'm doing right now. And in order to do that, I needed another motor because I feel like it's possible he drove the base motor like it was the A2. Obviously it doesn't rev the same, it's not the same VTEC or anything like that. So it started ticking when I bought it. It was already ticking, but it was so cheap that I was like, whatever. And I've been driving it since then, and then starting to feel like I think we checked it, and I'm losing like a rod bearing. So at that point, as soon as I knew that, I was like, all right, I can't push my luck anymore. I'm done pushing my luck, and I had to find another motor. So I've been on the hunt. I don't have hella money, but I started saving some money, and I was just like, I need to get another motor in this thing, and so bam, my friend hit me up. We came to a good price. I have a 5-speed swap from an EP3 and the A3, so I'm gonna throw the 6-speed on this and basically replace the base motor that's in there with another base motor, which is fine because it's cheap and it'll get the car back on the road. And as I've talked about in the past, if this is going into the RSX and my RSX does drive, I don't have to worry about it anymore, and that's the biggest thing. And my biggest problem in life is always having cars that don't run. So I'm really trying to solidify that right now, and it's getting the RSX. I'll put in another base motor, whatever. It'll just keep driving for a very, very, very long time. Fingers crossed, but it should. And then I'm, you know, free to work on my other cars, you know, like have one good car, Christian. That's all you fucking need in life. Have one good car, and then as many toys as you want. As many toys as you fucking want. Have one good car. That's the trade-off. So that's where we're at right now, guys. Anyways, here we go. I'm pretty happy with it, not gonna lie. Regardless of having a base, it's a really good deal, so I'm not too worried about it. And then I have a trans, and I have some axles and stuff too, so we can do something with that later, you know? I mean, if the motor isn't completely shit that's in the RSX right now, most likely, if it's got a little Rodknock, but I mean, we could case swap another car, maybe, you know, months and months down the line. That's a dream, I know. But yeah. So here we go. We got this guy. Had to strap it down because we had to pull it in on the dolly, but that's basically what's going on now, guys. Yeah. A little under 180. Yeah, 180, 185. Yeah, what is that? 150, 55, 60, 65, 70? Yeah, 170. One.
That didn't sound good.
120?
Yeah, that did not. That sounded like 122.
All right, guys, that about wraps it up for today. Did a compression test on the motor here. Started out at 190, ended near the 120, so now I'm kind of worried, but not really. I don't know. We put a little oil in it, and it did shoot up, so I think it's just the rings. I mean, it's got like 100. It's got over 100,000 miles, and I probably won't feel it. And it's bone cold too. Like it's literally obviously hasn't been running in a while, so I don't know. I can check it later. I'll probably do some ATF, clean up the carbon and stuff like that, see how that works. I'm not really too worried. Still, like I said, awesome deal. Just get the car in there, get it running. But over the course of the next week, I'm probably going to try to get in a little early. I want to take off the intake manifold, just clean the whole block, maybe paint it, make it look kind of cool. I'm thinking either like I do like a wrinkle black or a wrinkle red on the valve cover, just to make the block look nice before I put it in. And then just drive the shit out of it. But yeah, that's my new motor, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Gonna be working on this in the morning. Have some other stuff in store for you in the future. Hope you guys had a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.